Imagine a village where cars are forbidden, a place where the air is fresh and the streets are free from the noise and pollution of vehicles. Here, the only way to get around is by foot or by boat, creating a serene and tranquil environment that feels like a step back in time. A place where the only sound is the gentle lapping of water against wooden boats. The waterways are the lifeblood of this village, connecting homes and people in a way that feels both intimate and communal. The rhythm of the water sets a peaceful pace for daily life. This is Giethoorn, a fairy tale village in the Netherlands. With its traditional thatched roof houses and picturesque canals, it looks like something out of a storybook. Every corner of this village exudes charm and history, making it a perfect escape from the modern world. It's a place where time seems to slow down. The relaxed atmosphere invites you to take a deep breath and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's a leisurely boat ride or a quiet walk along the canals, Giethoorn encourages you to savor each moment. Giethoorn is known as the Venice of the North. But unlike its Italian counterpart, Giethoorn offers a unique blend of tranquility and beauty. The canals and bridges are not just functional, they are an integral part of the village's charm and allure. But unlike Venice, Giethoorn is incredibly peaceful. There are no bustling crowds or noisy traffic, just the quiet murmur of water and the occasional laughter of children playing. It's a place where you can truly relax and unwind. It's a truly magical destination. The enchanting landscape and dreamlike views make Giethoorn a place that stays with you long after you've left. It's a destination that captures the heart and imagination, offering a glimpse into a simpler, more peaceful way of life. Giethoorn has over 4 miles of canals. These canals were originally dug for transporting peat. Now, they are the main streets of the village. Instead of cars, people use boats to get around. These boats are called punters. They are small and flat-bottomed. They are perfect for navigating the narrow canals. Giethoorn was founded in the 13th century. It was settled by a group of peat farmers. Peat was a valuable fuel source. The farmers dug up the peat from the surrounding marshes. They dug canals to transport the peat. Over time, the canals became the defining feature of Giethoorn. The village grew up around the water. Section 4. Whisper boats and quaint delights. Today, Giethoorn is a popular tourist destination, often referred to as the Venice of the North. This charming village, with its labyrinth of canals, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors come from all over the world, drawn by the promise of tranquility and the picturesque beauty that Giethoorn offers. The village's unique charm lies in its car-free zones, where boats and bicycles are the primary modes of transport. They come to experience its unique charm, which includes the beautiful thatched roof houses, lush gardens, and the gentle sound of water flowing through the canals. It's a place where time seems to slow down. One of the best ways to experience Giethoorn is to take a boat tour. These whisper boats, named for their quiet electric motors, allow you to glide silently through the canals, taking in the stunning scenery at a leisurely pace. You can rent your own punter, a traditional flat-bottomed boat, and navigate the waterways at your own pace. It's a perfect way to explore the hidden corners of the village. Or you can take a guided tour, where knowledgeable guides share fascinating stories and historical facts about Giethoorn, enriching your experience. There are also many restaurants and cafes along the canals. These charming spots offer a perfect place to relax and enjoy the local cuisine. You can enjoy a meal or a drink by the water, watching the boats pass by and soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Giethoorn truly is a hidden gem, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Section 5. Giethoorn, an unforgettable escape. Giethoorn is a truly special place. Nestled in the heart of the Netherlands, this quaint village is often referred to as the Venice of the North, due to its extensive network of canals. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine gliding through serene waterways surrounded by lush greenery and charming historic homes. It's a place to relax and reconnect with nature. Whether you're sitting by the water with a good book or simply soaking in the tranquil atmosphere, Giethoorn offers a perfect retreat. If you're looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, be sure to add Giethoorn to your list. The village's picturesque scenery and peaceful ambiance make it a must-visit destination. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left. The memories of its serene canals, charming houses, and the feeling of utter relaxation will linger, making Giethoorn an unforgettable escape.